Hi, welcome back. Had one more addition I thought we'd go ahead and do because it sounded fun and really fleshes out the rest of the mobility stuff. Just a quick double jump. So you'll be able to double jump in conjunction with that mantling thing from the first video. So it's a pretty quick addition. Let's go over it. I think this is the one I'm doing this in. So right here on our jump ability, right up here after we check to see if we're falling and we go into all our mantling check, let's just back this up a little bit, back you up a little bit. I want to add one more branch right here with a delay in between. Now it doesn't need to be a very long delay, so I'm going to make this about 0.1 seconds. Nope, I wanted to go to this one. Because I want to see if held is still true, because if they're just tapping the jump button, it won't be, and then we can do our double jump. So all I want to do is off the true if... Oh, no, false. Okay, so the true we want to be the branch. The false is when we do the double jump, because it's not being held. That's right, my bad. So let's add a boolean called be double jumped. And we'll get that. We'll do one more branch just to see if we've already double jumped. And if we have not, then we can just launch character. So for the launch velocity, I'm going to set this, I think it's 600, and we'll do a Z override so that it's like boom, boom, no matter what. And then we can set double jumped to true. Now let's check that out real quick just to make sure we can... Yeah, double jumping. I can only do it once right now though, but there's a quick way we can do it. So the reason it's only letting me do it once is because double jump gets set to true, never gets set back to false. So let's do an event on landed. This is an event that fires off every time your character movement component registers hitting the ground. So it goes from like is falling true to is falling false. This fires off also. So what we can do is we can just set double jumped back to false every time we land. So now I can double jump. Wait, double jump again. Double jump, dash. Dash. Oh, caught myself. And just kind of, it adds a little bit of fun to it, so. It is pretty fun moving around. Maybe a first-person shooter tutorial series would be fun to do. We can make it like a new Halo. Like, instead of just being military like everybody else does, we have, like, dashing abilities and stuff like that. Maybe like that tether. I'm getting carried away. Anyway, that's all for this one. See y'all soon. Bye.